Okay, guys, well, I'm back at some cheese puffs, so got the boxes finished. My phone died, so real quick, I'll get finished. It's probably gonna be very dark out there, so turn on TV real soon. Oh, that's better. Me, Matt. It's very bad. I'll show you what's in that trailer. I'm probably gonna show you around other places. I'm scared out here, man. Scared. I should have took the gun. Here's some big old logs that cut down. Here's the last little bit of the tractors. So yeah, this one we already went over. And this is the... Oof, we broke the ball joint, I forgot. Or no, not the ball joint, the tie rod. Can't even see the lettering on that. Wheel horse. It's a better engine than the other one. Same kind of setup, but that's it. And in that trailer, I'm gonna show you what's up in this trailer. You know what? I'm not. I'll tell you what's in there. I'm gonna tell you what's in there right now. A snowmobile. I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared there's gonna be a coyote that's gonna jump on me and shoot me. Not shoot me, eat me. Let's turn it off. See the cracks up in there. The random bear. What else should I show you guys? Sun's up and I'm working. I'm to step on the mower. Well, what are we talking about for the last 5 minutes of the video? This is like a 4-part series right now. Oh, I'll show you what's in this magic crate. Pool floaties. So, this, I pretend I have is an engine. You know, I'm a 11-year-old kid. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna climb it up there and I'm gonna roll it, so. God dang it, you fat little fricker. You fat mother trucker. Come on. Come on. This stupid piece of junk. Yeah, I always trust my off, but not with this. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for this. That's good. Come on. Okay. Now it's time to tip this. Oh, we're gonna put it up here, tip it over. So let's get you. Ugh, this is awesome. The engine still runs 13 valve. Medium cam. It's 12, 14 valve. So it's kind of tippy. What if we tip it backward? We're keeping the roll bar on her. Nice knowing ya. Well, nice knowing ya, Fred. Or Fred, yeah. Okay, we're gonna roll you now. No, shut the. This man's made out of steel. I hit him with a claw hammer multiple times. We're gonna do a durability test on this today. Like the last part of this video is gonna be durability testing. This doesn't run push powered, but okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. We just rolled it. Oh no, that's dangerous. That chunk of dirt just fell. Not very stable. Oh, it just slipped. Diesel. I'm gonna jump down there. Oh. Let's tip you on over. So oh, that hit tire so hard, I think it blew up. I'm gonna throw it off to the edge now. You don't get to see me. Come on. Come on, baby. Didn't get to see me put this up halfway, but ooh, that's tippy. Tipsy. Ugh. So the air system on this, we're gonna 1 bolt to control the air PSI. Okay, I tuned that off. Okay, 9 minutes. And it's probably about 5 minutes. Bye-bye, buddy. Nice knowing ya. Ooh. Let's go down here. It's kind of sketchy, especially on this part. Ugh. It's like a rock. What do some people call it? Like a rock. Shaky ASMR. I'm gonna be doing wheelies until it explodes. This thing can do wheelies successfully. Clutch bearing in this is so broken. Wheelie bar. I'll probably like one more thing we're gonna do. Shred. And that's it.
I need a flashlight, please.
Okay, we're out here with Frank. Oh. So taking her up on the road. You can walk fast enough to do that, but oh. This thing doesn't got suspension hold, but it's pretty good. So say you're going 50 miles an hour. Boom! We have a jump here that I always do. We're gonna do it right now. Dude, this is such a cool vibe though. It just spun this. We drive it down the side. It'll never work. What the? Some people say it's like building a rock. I don't really think that. Just made it through freaking baby bush, no problem. This is bouncing up and down. I think it's about to like explode. Look at the bin. That's sandbox. Ooh. Fasten the Frederick. Look at this. Can't maybe not see that on camera, but it works. The last line is this.